the extreme worlds beyond our solar system. Look at this fascinating planet. At one moment, it appears to be burning, its surface scorching under an intense heat. The ground is parched, covered in deep cracks, with no sign of water. Then, suddenly, the same planet transforms into an icy world, completely frozen. The temperatures drop so low that survival seems impossible. This mysterious planet is HD 20794d, located 19.7 light-years away in the constellation Eridanus. It's classified as a super-Earth, meaning it's larger than our planet but smaller than ice giants like Neptune. What makes it especially intriguing is its highly unusual orbit, which takes it in and out of the habitable zone, the region where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. How was this planet discovered? Astronomers haven't seen HD 20794d directly. Instead, they detected it by measuring tiny wobbles in its host star using advanced instruments, ESPRESSO and HARPS, located at telescopes in Chile. These instruments measure radial velocity, detecting how the planet's gravity affects the star's motion. The more the star wobbles, the more massive the planet. After extensive analysis, researchers determined that HD 20794d is about 6 times the mass of Earth. It orbits a star slightly smaller and dimmer than our Sun. Unlike many exoplanet-hosting stars, this one is bright enough to be seen with the naked eye. A planet of extreme seasons. The orbit of HD 20794d is highly elliptical. It takes 647 days to complete a full trip around its star, just 40 days shorter than Mars' orbit around the Sun. At its farthest point, it's twice as far from its star as Earth is from the Sun, making it an icy wasteland. But as it moves inward, it enters the habitable zone, where temperatures might allow liquid water to form. This extreme movement creates dramatic seasonal changes. During its cold phase, the planet is frozen and lifeless. As it approaches the star, ice could melt, forming temporary oceans. Then, a short, scorching summer follows, possibly causing the water to evaporate into the atmosphere. Afterward, the planet moves away again, bringing fall rains and eventually another deep freeze. If life exists on HD 20794d, it would need to survive dramatic shifts in temperature and environment, a challenge unlike anything seen on Earth. What causes its unusual orbit? Scientists believe this extreme orbit may be a result of events billions of years ago during the formation of the planetary system. One theory suggests that a massive planet once existed in the system and later got ejected, disturbing the orbit of HD 20794d. This would explain why the two other planets in the system, HD 20794b and c, have more circular orbits. Could such a planet support life? Most habitable planets remain inside the habitable zone permanently, but HD 20794d only passes through it. Scientists are eager to study whether a planet with temporary habitability could still support life. Future telescopes will analyze its atmosphere for signs of water, gases, or even biological activity. Other super-Earths that could host life. One particularly promising exoplanet is TOI 715b, located 137 light-years away. It is about 1.5 times the size of Earth and stays permanently inside its star's habitable zone. Unlike HD 20794d, this planet orbits a red dwarf, a smaller and cooler star. Even though it completes an orbit in just 19 days, its mild temperature could support liquid water. NASA discovered TOI 715b using the Transiting Exoplanets Survey Satellite, TESS, which detects planets by observing dips in a star's brightness when a planet passes in front of it. Scientists plan to study its atmosphere with the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, to look for key gases that could indicate habitability, or even life. One of the densest planets ever found. Another intriguing super-Earth lies 750 light-years away in the K2-360 system. This system hosts 2 planets, one of which, K2-360b, is among the densest rocky planets ever discovered. Despite being only 1.6 times the size of Earth, it has a mass 7.7 times greater, making it as dense as lead. The planet orbits its star in just 21 hours, making it the densest known ultra-short period planet. Some researchers believe it could be the core of a much larger planet, whose outer layers were stripped away by radiation. Astronomers suspect that interactions with its larger companion planet influenced its extreme orbit. Finding planets like this helps scientists refine their theories on planetary formation and evolution in harsh environments. The search for life beyond Earth. Each of these discoveries challenges our understanding of habitable worlds. While HD 20794d moves in and out of the habitable zone, TOI 715b remains within it, and K2-360b pushes the limits of what a rocky planet can endure. Future telescopes will help us determine whether any of these worlds could truly support life. That's it for today. If this video sparked your curiosity, give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to explore more fascinating discoveries, stay on Factonic and check out these other videos.